Now, with e-media information systems, you can turn this into this. Know your fire extinguishers. A fire extinguisher is your best defense against fires that have just begun to burn. Fire extinguishers can buy you enough time to get out of a burning structure or extinguish fires completely if used properly. Using the wrong type of fire extinguisher can worsen a fire out of all proportions. It is important to know the type of fire you are fighting before you attempt to use an extinguisher. If you have any doubt about the kind of fire facing you, don't fight it alone. What kind of fire extinguishers are available? Unless you know something about the many types of fire extinguishers on the market, buying one can be confusing. Extinguishers contain substances that fight different classes of fires. Some are multi-purpose extinguishers that can be used for more than one kind of fire. Type A fire extinguishers are used for fires that need a substance like water to cool burning materials down below ignition level. They can be used for burning paper, cloth, wood, rubber, and plastics. Type BC extinguishers contain chemicals that fight Class B fires, which are flammable liquids, gases, and greases, and Class C fires, energized electrical equipment, electrical fire, and burning wires. The BC extinguishers never contain water because water conducts electricity and spreads burning oils or solvents. ABC extinguishers are multi-purpose extinguishers that fight all three types of fires. Where should fire extinguishers be located? It is best to keep fire extinguishers in high traffic areas, always in plain sight. Don't hide them behind drapes, under tables, or in closets. At least one fire extinguisher should be kept on each floor of your home, including one for the basement and the attic. Place extinguishers on wall brackets no higher than 5 feet from the floor and near exit and hazard areas. Know the hazard areas in your home and office. How can you keep time on your side? When fighting fires, time is precious. Keep time on your side by knowing what's what and where to find it. Call your fire department first. Always keep your fire extinguisher serviced and ready for use. Pressure gauges and carbon dioxide containers should be checked on a regular basis. Acting fast can make the difference between a small fire and one that consumes your whole building. Keep inspection records. Keeping inspection records for your fire extinguishers will help you keep track of usage and service. Records can also come in handy after a fire when your insurance company may ask questions about extinguishers. It is especially helpful for businesses to be able to prove that their extinguishers were all serviced and in working order. Select the best kinds of fire extinguishers you might need for your home or office, then learn to choose the correct type quickly if a fire breaks out. Universal symbols and/or pictograph systems are found on most extinguishers to indicate the particular class of fire that the extinguisher fights. An A in the green triangle represents Type A extinguishers that fight ordinary combustibles such as burning trash, wood, rubber, cloth, and plastics. A B in the red square represents Type B extinguishers that fight flammable liquids, gases, and greases such as oils, paints, and gasoline. A C in the blue circle represents Type C extinguishers that fight energized electrical fires such as burning wires, switches, machinery, and home appliances. In the event that you do have to use a fire extinguisher, think of the word pass. P is for pull. Pull the safety pin at the top of the extinguisher. A is for aim. Aim the nozzle, horn, or hose at the base of the flames. S is for squeeze. Squeeze or press the handle. The other S is for sweep. Sweep from side to side at the base of the fire until it goes out. And remember, whenever a situation arises where you have to use your fire extinguisher, your first move should be to call 911 or contact your local fire department first.